Look at these YouTube channels. They are absolutely exploding right now. And it's not just one channel. There are lots of new creators going viral with this exact niche. These are English learning channels, and because almost everyone wants to improve their English, the audience is huge. That makes this one of the best opportunities to start a YouTube channel instead of uploading videos that struggle to get views. Now take a look at what I created in just a few minutes.
Every morning was the same for me. My alarm clock rang, but I did not wake up. I pressed the button and turned off the sound. Then I slept again. When I finally got up, I looked at the time. I was late again. I rushed to the bathroom. I rushed to the kitchen. I did not eat breakfast. I forgot my water bottle. I felt tired every day. My mornings were always busy and stressful. I wanted a better life.
Here's the complete process to make videos like these. Let's get started. First, copy the master prompt using the link in the description. Open ChatGPT, paste the prompt and hit enter. ChatGPT will generate 10 different video ideas for you. Choose the one idea that you like and send it back in the same chart. In phase 2, ChatGPT will generate the complete story script along with everything you will need for the video. Now copy part 1 and paste it back into ChatGPT. It will generate detailed video prompts for every line of the script. It generates 10 scene prompts at a time. When those are finished, simply type next and it will continue generating the remaining prompts until your entire story is complete. Now copy the first scene prompt and head over to Google Flow. Choose your preferred video model, paste the prompt and click generate. After a few minutes, your first scene will be ready. Now open the video, go to the very last frame and save it as an image. Now for scene 2, drag that image into the frame 1, paste the second scene prompt and click generate. This helps maintain both character consistency and environment consistency throughout the entire story. Repeat the same process until all of your scenes are finished. Once they are ready, download every clip. Now it's time for the voiceover. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the complete script from phase 2. Open 11 Labs, choose the voice you want to use, paste the script and generate the narration. Once it's ready, download the audio. Now open your favorite video editor, import all of your video clips, arrange them in the correct order, add the voiceover, background music if you'd like, and don't forget to include captions. Then export your video. And that's it, your English learning video is ready to upload. If you run into any problems during the process, feel free to contact me. I will do my best to help you find a solution. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.